And the production vlog starts. This is just the first day, so it's more of an introduction than really any of the production. I'm already in the hotel in China. It was a very quick flight, so to say. I think it just took 2 hours to fly, but my total travel was maybe 5 hours? No, 6 hours and a half, because the drive here was also an hour and a half. So in any case, there wasn't too much to show obviously when traveling, because this time I'm traveling here alone, so it's a bit sad to be recording alone and on the way. But you can see I had enough leg space during travel, except for in the bus. It was really cramped. In the airplane wasn't too bad. The airplane food was also pretty good, so I'm happy about that. I was really surprised. I got like a banana, yogurt, and a decent warm meal for a 2-hour flight, but it's an international flight, so that was nice. In any case, so I'm in the hotel right now in Wooting, and tomorrow the real stuff happens. We won't be doing the trial production tomorrow straight away. And oh, by the way, this production vlog is about the trial production of the Wooting 2. So what can we expect of today? I mostly did preparations for the trial production, and this ranges from testing out the machines and some Wooting 2 things, but the real problems really come up when the trial production itself happens. I think there's a lot on Jeroen's side right now, on the software side, to do some final preparations in the software, both in the testing machine and the firm of the keyboard, before it can really get started. And I hope and expect to start on Wednesday. Before that time, I'll also be checking the material of the 50 piece that we're going to make, and hopefully we'll have a smooth trial production, and then we have a couple of days afterwards to fix and optimize a couple of last things. So now it's my job to entertain you guys with factory stuff until the trial production itself happens. I'm not sure what I can show today. I'll try my best to take a look if I can show a couple of things that I'm working on, though I guess most of the stuff you've already seen. But let me show you around this area. Oh, and if you might have noticed, this great, well, I don't know if it's great camera quality, but we're working at 60 frames per second. I'm actually purposely in the light here so that you can better see me. I don't know how the quality will be inside here. It's a little bit darker, but you might remember here we enter the factory area where we need to take off our shoes and put on some slippers, and then I need to put on my what is that? I don't know what the name for it is, but it's the clothing that you need to put on before you go in. I'm just gonna call it the factory clothes. I put on my little slippers, which are always too small for me because I have big feet. I'm inside the factory hall now. I'm in front of a very loud machine that's not on right now, but you might remember it. It's the assembly machine, or the switch assembly machine, where here you can see the switches go in, and then this rotates and it feeds the switches to a feeder that's on the other side to assemble the switches on the keyboards. I can't show it working right now because there's nothing happening, but you'll see when the trial production is running. Okay, and then I'll walk towards where I'm busy right now, my little space. So here I'm working on the test machine and some software stuff with the Wooting 2 over there, and doing some measurements also, double checking if analog is working as intended. So that's basically what's keeping me busy right now. I think it's going to take me the rest of the day. About this time, Jeroen will wake up and we can start working and troubleshooting on some issues. So I don't have much more to tell, but let's close this vlog off in the hotel room where I get back to tonight. And we're in the hotel room, and you might recognize it if you're a Wooting 1 backer. It's the same hotel with the terrible lighting. Everything becomes green and yellow with the camera. Anyway, I was just editing a bit for the first day vlog, and I just noticed that 60 frames HD does need some serious good lighting, otherwise there's a lot of grain, so this quality might not be as good. Tomorrow I'll try to do 30 frames and see if that improves the quality a bit. Let's take a look at the camera gear. It's actually my streaming gear, or well, the streaming gear Jeroen and I got when we had Computex. So we have the big ass microphone here on the top, and you see it's a directional microphone, so now you can probably hear me better than just before. Then we have a extra lens here For the camera, this is a fisheye lens, so we have more, you can see a lot more, there's a lot more white space. You can see if I take it off, it zooms in a lot. You can see this big cable stuff. This is just to connect the microphone, and today, or right now, I even have to put on the power bank because my phone is almost empty, because yes, I'm recording with my phone, which is for the streaming gear setup. And then we have this tripod, which I can, you know, extend and everything, which I'm just better not do right now. So, and this is the gear I'm using right now to record the vlog. Then I think I might as well close down the vlog here unless there's something else I can show. I'm really trying to extend the time of the vlog so it's good enough for a full day vlog. But I think I really have to end it here, and then I'll see you in the next vlog.